Hi and welcome. So we're going to try and do it at night time. We'll jump in the cockpit. Just turn a few lights on. Got the light on up there. And we can also brighten this up if we want. So then we can use right shift and H for this. Right shift, right alt and H to make it less bright. You can tap O if you want to bring that up. I'll just put it away for the moment. Jump over to the other seat. I'm going to go down to here and change it to arms and guns. Also turn on the laser and go into the MMS page. Go jump back to this one. And we just want to go into the weapon select. I'm just doing weapons and then missiles code. Primary 3. Enter. 0 actually we are 1 enter. Don't know if that's saved. It worked. So we can now get out of that by just selecting one of the weapons, and we can go over to standby launch and turn it to normal. We can take off now and just put our little headset on again in case it helps us. Let's take off. Going to us in the direction of the target and just raise our altitude a little bit. And then we'll stick it on hold on.
Alright, let's see if I can pick up a stable hover.
We'll jump back over to the other screen and turn off this. Put it onto manual mode and go down. And we'll look left a little. We can find the targets. We want to brighten it up, so hold down bright. Also want to change this to A1688. It's the same as the kneeboard. Once we've done that, we can point track them. And then we can put the laser on. Now we're going to try and fire. Missile away, rifle. It's going towards the target. Target destroyed. We'll move to the next one. Point track. Fire. It's rifled and it's away. Target destroyed. Next one. Point track. Fire. We need to jump back to the other seat for the next one. Target destroyed. We can move it across to the target though. Point track. We'll jump into the first seat. We're just going down to here, and I'll get rid of this display. We need to go into the weapons page, and I'm just changing missiles per code. So it's going to be 1 enter, 0 enter. You can see 1 in primary, 0 in alternative. We're all done. Go back to the weapon select. Go back to 2. Fire. That missile's on its way. Target destroyed. We'll jump back to the first seat. We'll put on our goggles. And also our display. That will do. So we'll take back control
Roger. You have the controls.
We can park around here. Okay, we're on the ground. And we can shut it down. Let's see if we can do that. And the light should go off, I guess. Just interesting that in the inside there is no light. But on the outside we've still got a light. We've also turned the battery off. And we've got no throttle. We've got a light on the outside, but no light on the inside. I don't think it's gonna matter what we hit. It's gone out. That one comes on. That's alright. So it's this switch here. You can turn that on with nothing. So first one, and then second one's the white one. That's working okay. Thank you for watching.